Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable and use the mono audio on this device. Go to your settings, scroll down, tap on the option accessibility, tap on hearing enhancements. Then scroll down, here you can see the option mono audio. First of all, turn on this one. Now at the bottom, you can see the option left or right sound balance. You can adjust the slider to left or right, otherwise you can set to the center. And after this one, you can play the music test. Mono audio helps people using one earbud or those with a hearing issue. So simply in this way we can, if you can hearing issue with your left ear, then you have to move this one to right. Okay. So if you are using only right side earbuds, then also you have to move to this to right. If you are using only left earbuds, then you can turn to left. So simply in this way we can use the mono audio on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.